Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to make hard reset for your headphones Sennheiser CX200. You have to start by open settings and now go to Bluetooth. Then click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget this device, forget device. Also if you have Android, click pair new device. After that, remove one earbud and press and hold touch RES until this LED light starts flashing green and red. Here we go. Now remove the second one and keep it closer to the first one. Now press and hold it again until you can see that this LED light it starts to be blue. Okay, it starts flashing. It's okay also. And now we should wait until it's finished. So maybe I will show it to you. Here we go, and it entered to prank mode, so we can add it to the device list. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.